how to remove the links on your profile on Instagram. Today guys, I will teach you and show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram application. Then when you open your Instagram, as you see it's home, you go and open your profile. Then as you see it's my profile and I have a link here. I will remove it. It's very easy, just follow the video. You go first and you open on edit profile, then you go to links, then go to here, this my links, then I will click just remove link and then click remove. Then when I finish guys, I just go back, and as you see now, I don't have any link on my profile. And that's it. I hope this video is useful and helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.